In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money to someone else's bank account using Bank of America. Whether you're paying back a friend or helping out a family member, transferring money is straightforward with the Bank of America mobile banking app. And I'll walk you through each step to make sure you're clear and confident by the end of this tutorial. First, make sure you have the Bank of America mobile banking app downloaded on your smartphone. Once you have the app, go ahead and open it, then sign in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up first. For those logging in, you may want to ensure that you're using a secure network and your login information is not shared with anyone. Now that you're in, slide over to the Pay and Transfer section at the bottom of the app screen. Here, you'll see various options. Look for and tap the option labeled Zelle R. Zelle is a convenient service that allows you to send money directly to another person's bank account using either their US mobile number or email address. When you tap on Zelle, it will take you to a screen where you can choose to send money. Tap Send to get things underway. Next, you'll need to add your recipient. This is where you'll input their details, specifically their US mobile number or email address. It's essential to double check this information before moving forward to ensure the money goes to the right person. Once you've added your recipient, enter the amount of money you'd like to send. After typing in the amount, you can choose from which of your linked accounts you'd like the funds to come. This detail is crucial if you have multiple accounts associated with the app, as you'll want to make sure you're debiting the correct one. Before you hit send, you have the option to include a note specifying what the payment is for. Adding a note can be quite handy for record keeping or to let the recipient know the reason for the transfer. Once you're satisfied with all the details, tap Send. If the recipient is already enrolled with Zelle, the funds will be in their account within minutes. It's worth noting how quick and efficient this process is. If they aren't enrolled, Zelle will send them instructions on how to set up their account so they can receive the funds. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully transferred money to someone else's bank account using the Bank of America mobile banking app and Zelle. Remember, it's always important to review your details before sending the payment to avoid any hiccups. This method provides a fast, secure, and hassle-free way to transfer funds and can be a true lifesaver when you need to send money quickly. Thank you for joining me today, and happy transferring.